Here's a recipe for Nalli Biryani, a flavorful mutton biryani cooked with lamb shanks, nalli, and bone marrow. Ingredients: 500 grams lamb shanks, nalli, 2 cups basmati rice, 1 cup yogurt, 2 onions, thinly sliced, 2 tomatoes, chopped, 3 to 4 green chilies, slit, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 1-inch piece of ginger, grated, 1 tablespoon biryani masala, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 to 5 whole black peppercorns, 4 to 5 green cardamom pods, 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 cloves, a pinch of saffron strands, optional, fresh coriander leaves, chopped, fresh mint leaves, chopped, ghee or vegetable oil, salt to taste. Instructions: 1. Rinse the basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. 1. Soak the rice in water for 30 minutes, then drain. 2. Heat ghee or oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pan or pressure cooker. 2. Add cumin seeds, peppercorns, cardamom pods, cinnamon sticks, and cloves. 2. Sauté for a minute until fragrant. 3. Add sliced onions and cook until they turn golden brown. 3. Remove half of the onions and set aside for garnishing. 4. Add minced garlic, grated ginger, and green chilies to the pan. 4. Sauté for a minute. 5. Add the chopped tomatoes and cook until they soften. 6. Add the lamb shanks, nalli, to the pan and cook for a few minutes until they are slightly browned. 7. Add yogurt, biryani masala, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. 7. Mix well to coat the meat with the spices. 8. Add enough water to cover the meat. 8. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer until the meat is tender. 8. If using a pressure cooker, cook for about 20 minutes or as per the cooker's instructions. 9. In a separate pot, bring water to a boil and cook the soaked and drained rice until it is 70 to 80% cooked. 9. The rice should still have a slight bite to it. 9. Drain the rice and set aside. 10. Once the meat is cooked and tender, remove the lamb shanks from the gravy and set them aside. 10. Keep the gravy for later use. 11. In a large biryani pot or a deep pan, spread a layer of cooked rice at the bottom. 11. Place the lamb shanks on top of the rice. 12. Sprinkle a layer of chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves over the lamb shanks. 13. Add another layer of rice over the lamb shanks and sprinkle some saffron strands, soaked in warm milk, on top. 13. This step is optional but adds a nice aroma and color to the biryani. 14. Pour the reserved meat gravy over the layers of rice. 15. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid and cook on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. 15. This will allow the flavors to melt together and the rice to finish cooking. 16. Once done, remove from heat and let the biryani rest for a few minutes. 17. Before serving, gently fluff the biryani with a fork, ensuring that the meat and rice are well combined. 18. Garnish with the reserved fried onions and some chopped coriander leaves. Serve the Nalli Biryani hot with raita, yogurt sauce, and enjoy this flavorful and aromatic dish.